My name is Deepak. I am from Bangalore and I have completed my electronics and communication engineering from Saptagiri College. I am 2025 pass out. During my college days, I always wondered how the backend system works. So I came across VLSI and embedded systems, and I thought my interest is in embedded systems. Academic teaching, it was good, but they were teaching old syllabus. But at Emertxe, we are learning industry standards. I think projects are very important for us because how to merge theoretical knowledge and actual knowing the concept, we'll get to know that by doing the project only. So the more projects we do, more concept we will learn. I have completed 8 projects from Emertxe. It helped me because I just knew the theoretical concepts. By doing the projects, I understood how those concepts fundamentally works. From my LSP steganography project, just by taking those 2 photos, how we can change the input and output, those fundamental things I understood from doing project only, because whatever error is there, I could only see that through the output only. So by doing those projects, it helped me to fundamentally understand those C concepts. I have attended one interview during my academics. From there, I learned that what I know is not sufficient and it's not in industry requirement. After joining Emertxe, I got those fundamental concepts. During my LG interview, they asked me how well you are prepared, and from those fundamentals I could answer very easily. From Emertxe, I can say that mentors who supported me when I was very low, and where projects and assignment were structured so that I could learn those easily. I would suggest always believe in yourself. Try to apply as many companies as you can, because if you fail in one, you can take that experience, learn from it, and move on to next company.
My name is Arjun. I'm from Kerala. I did my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Kannur, in year of 2025. In my BTech journey, I've done totally 2 projects which were based on embedded system. That's where I developed an interest in embedded system. In our college, based on the curriculum, so we just learn the basics and theoretical knowledge. But here at Emertxe, we will learn doing the coding, so we get more on practical knowledges. The projects and assignments are very important. I have done totally 7 projects at Emertxe, 4 in C module, 2 in DS and 1 in MC. For the interview, most of the questions from the project, so it will be helpful to answer the questions very clearly in the interviews. I have done in MC module, which were CAN-based automotive dashboard system. So the questions were on the interview were on CAN protocol. So doing these projects will help me to learn CAN protocol in depth, like how it works, how it data transfer and receivers. The journey at Emertxe was really good because the way they structured the modules and assignments was really helpful to gradually develop your knowledge. And everyone should focus on the assignments and projects because which will help you to learn the concept in depth. Really helpful for the interviews.
Hello, I'm Shino. I'm from Kerala. I completed my BTech graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from College of Engineering. I got passed out in the year 2025. From studying my college, I was much passionate about doing my hobby projects in electronics. At that time, I believed I have to join a good electronics company. So my college experience was good, but in college, teachings are based on theory. We will not get that much hands-on experience on projects. After joining Emertxe, we will get a more opportunity for hands-on experience in projects. So for a student, assignments and projects are very important. We have to learn from that projects and assignment. We have to do assignments daily. Then only we can step by step improve our knowledge. So projects are very important in learning embedded system. I have completed 8 projects in Emertxe, 4 projects in C, 2 projects in DS, 1 project in Linux, and 1 project in C++. During my LG, they mostly focused on C++ and DS projects. So they asked from that project, I built my knowledge in those topics. Before joining Emertxe, I didn't attend any interview in my life. After joining Emertxe, this was my first interview that in LG Soft. The interview was very good. They asked about DS and C projects mainly. So most of the questions I was able to answer that. It was good. If anyone asks about Emertxe, I will tell my career start from Emertxe. From Emertxe, I learned how things are working practically. By joining Emertxe, I learned more about embedded system. When interviews come, we have to first focus on basic level projects and assignments. Then we can go for advanced level.
My name is Haridra. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I did my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham in the year of 2025. So during my college, I always wanted to go in the side of embedded or VLSI side, but I was never know how to go and what to learn for that. So after coming out of the college, I realized that still I don't have a knowledge or skills to go the embedded side. So I wanted to join some course. I go through a lot of institutes, which one to join and all. My friend recommended me this Emertxe because one of my senior has already done and got placed here. So we trusted him and we joined here. During my college, it was very good according to what they explain, it is very good to academic level and all, but I realized that is not sufficient when it comes to a real life, like out of the campus. When we apply off campus, they are asking something different total from the college what they taught. So it is very different from according to the off campus. Projects are very important. Individually you will know how the concept works, what is the theory of that concept, but taking all the concepts and working together into one place, it will be very helpful. How it will be working with all the concepts together, you will learn only when you are doing the project. So it is very important to do the projects. I did totally 7 projects in Emertxe. They helped me like how we have to connect, like how we have to access the OS. It helped me to understand when the company asks you how it works, how everything will come together. It helped me a lot to understand while doing the project. I can take one of the project APC arbitrary precision calculator. I worked on concept like linked list. It is very difficult. If something goes wrong, we have to trace back to first. So doing that every step and checking if we are doing wrong or right, we have to manually like am I doing the correct step, and we have to note down everything, how we are accessing is correct or not. So it helped me a lot. I only did one interview previously other than LG. It was also a core company. They asked all basics and all. That was time when I realized I was not good at basics and all. So now after coming here, after learning all these concepts, after going to LG, they were clearly asking basics and how you are understanding on C++, how will you study C++, what all the resources you will search for to understand the C++ in depth, how confidently I can learn and how can I work hard for anything they pose in the company. It was very good. Like I know everyone will be lagged behind at some point in there, but when you get something pressured for the company or when you are attending, you will be learning everything at that time. So I always suggest you that you always apply company, no matter if you are ready or not, because you will never be ready for any company unless you apply and you take that challenge.
My name is Jayashiv Pratap. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my bachelor's degree Electronics Communication Engineering from Pratisha Engineering College. During my college days, I'm actively searching for internship. There I got an opportunity for an internship in Emertxe. So I really like the way of explaining the concepts. So I go through the LinkedIn profile in Emertxe. So I joined Emertxe. In my college, I felt the coding level is very bad. So I joined to Emertxe. Here I learned so many things, how to develop code. Many DSA projects I did. So through that, I will get a confidence on learning. Assignments and projects very important. Will we give a proper coding level knowledge? I completed total 8 projects in Emertxe. Through this project, I gained a hard knowledge in coding level, and also Linux projects also I did. Through these projects I cracked the job. When I'm working Linux mini shell, it will be hard because I don't know how to work the Linux commands. After getting the core knowledge in C, I'm very easy to solving the problems in Linux. So it's very important to do the Linux projects. Before that got the job, I given 4 interviews. In college I given 2 interviews. At that time I not aware of the C language, so I didn't crack. After joining Emertxe, I got 2 opportunities, and I'm not sure about the Linux the first time when I am attending first interview. So that time I not cracked the job, and then after learning in Linux, and I cleared the job in LG Softech. My overall journey is very good because the way of teaching in Emertxe, they will be good, and interacting, and Emertxe placement team also very supportive. They will always guide you what you want and always motivate you. My advice is always prepare with all assignments and work on all projects. Don't copy assignments and projects.
My name is Manikand Mahesh More. I am from Halyar. I completed my BE from KLS VDIT Halyar, and I take a branch in my BE is Electronics and Communication Engineer. I pass out in 225. From starting only, I am very interested how TVs are working and how electronics items are working internally. That's why I chose my career in electronics and communication engineering. They teach theoretical very well, but there is a lack of practical hands-on experience. That's why I decided to join Emertxe, where I can get a hands-on experience, so I can develop my technical skills. I completed 8 projects. In that projects, all topics which I studied during the modules C, C++, and MC DSA module, which helped me. All topics in that modules were covered in projects, so which helped me to develop strong projects and develop a strong technical skills, and helped me to improve how to speak in interviews. Mostly questions from data structure. I feel very confident while I am giving my introduction, so I feel very easy to crack that interview. I worked on projects myself. That's why I'm very confident if interviewer asks from that projects and any technical skills, so I can tell confidently. That's why I cleared the interview. I always excited to learn new things, and how my journey is going on. Want to place in good company, so my family feel proud on me. That's why I'm not feel like I should give up in the middle. I will give only one advice: work hard, so you will get definitely result of it. I got placed in LG Soft, and I got role of software engineering.